So we have our order already, guys. We ordered pancit molo, 2 empanadas, and 1 fresh lumpia. I will be telling you kung sa tong plans for 2026. Naka-priority waterproofing na mananadira nga portion. We are also doing waterproofing. We have to take our lunch na kay gutom na. Rera ang ilang ticketing outlet. May Wisam, Ocean Jet, Supercat, and Montenegro. Hi guys, it's me again, Engineer IDMU, and welcome back to my channel. It's day 2 here in Iloilo, and today we will be wrapping up our trip here and mag-site visit ta balik sa day shift na pod nga mga workers and sa mga ilang gipang buhat sa site. So I will be touring you further sa amo ang project dito nga mall because naapatay laing trabaho dito aside sa akong gisulti ninyo gabi kay naamay works nga pang buntagay lang and naapoy works nga pang gabi lang. So let's go and payogi ko ninyo balik, but before that first order of business nato today is to grab some coffee kay murag dili gyud ta ka-function og tarong. And we are heading to Starbucks. Kay tapad ra sa hotel ang Starbucks. It's also within Robinson's Place, Iloilo nga building. And we're gonna take the elevator. Their menu. Good morning. Isa ka oat latte nga hot grande.
Oat po?
Sir,
may oat pa ba na? Wala ba na?
Wala na. Sige, ano na lang, regular latte na lang.
What size po?
Grande, hot.
May lugar pa na ba, sir?
Wala na.
Sir, just name of his face. Name na lang kasi?
Ian. Ian.
For here ba siya yan? Checking out sa hotel and we will be heading to the site for our day shift site visit and atong service na napod sa ubos. And we are waiting for We are waiting for the elevator. Proceed na ta sa ubos. And let's go ground floor. We are waiting na lang for our room to be cleared for check out and For today's schedule, we will be going again to the site, and after our day shift schedule, we will be trying some of the foods nga I've mentioned on the first vlog. So stay tuned sa atong trips for today. And also today we will be heading back to Bacolod, and after Bacolod, directly we will go home na sa San Carlos City. And we are good to go, guys. Thank you. Let's go sa site. Balik ta dito for another work schedule. Again, here's our service. Sakay na ta. Thank you. Go Hotels. Okay, let's go. Kompleto ng materials og pick-up to.
Marot na ako ganiha. Dasan na amon to kung palagas dyan nga. Kuan nung sana ko nga.
Materials.
Materials. 5 ko na pa sa ako kuan.
Skin coat. We are back again here sa site, guys, and as what I've said, I will be showing you our other scopes nga giobra diri sa mall. We are also doing waterproofing here at the canopy. Last Philip. Okay, sige. Picture lang ko ah. We are installing torch membrane waterproofing here sa front canopy of the mall. And also, guys, waterproofing sa ta, polyurethane waterproofing specifically sa exterior walls sa Gaisano. Come with me, I will be showing it to you. Nanglalan ta mo libot kay dito ma-access ang area. Libot ta sa likod. So mauni akong pasabot nga exterior walls, guys. And as you can see, naka polyurethane waterproofing na humana na dira nga portion, and dire pod sa likod atong i-check ay murag dire sa likod ang naay nagtrabaho. Ako
dako ni siya nga area ang atong gina-waterproofing right now. More or less ang total na siguro sa 6,000 to 7,000 square meters. And yes, this is the back portion. Currently, waterproof na ni siya nga area kaning gray, pero first coat pa ni. And dira sa part nga na ay brown and gray, I mean beige, nag existing paint removal pa lang mi and surface preparation. So after na ma-remove, i-buff pa na siya sa atong mga workers. Hi guys, so paspas kayong transition and wala na nako na record ang pagpadong diri, and we're done sa site visit, and right now it's already 12:20, and we have to take our lunch na kay gutom na, and we only drink coffee sa ato ang breakfast. And right now, we will be having our lunch at Cap Isings, the famous restaurant for the famous molo soup. So, let's go! Here in Atria, guys, daghag kan-anan diri. We also have Netong Bok Choy, who is also famous of their La Paz Bok Choy. And I think Maj Cafe is also here. Naapod sila yung branch diri. But the famous ones for the locals for Netong's and Maj Cafe kay dito gyud sa La Paz Public Market. Are trying to look for Cap Isings. So we are here at Cap Isings, guys, and this is their menu. Their famous molo, empanada, and puto. So we will be ordering molo and empanada for our lunch. So this is our order, guys. We ordered pancit molo, 2 empanadas, and 1 fresh lumpia. Kay gigotom yun ta. Gawa tay tarong na breakfast. We are done with our lunch, guys, and right now pangita ta sa itong sugat or service. Kay we will go to our last stop before we will head to the port of Iloilo as we go our way to Bacolod. Ay mo pauli na ta kay apatay laing responsibilidad sa balay and sa office way back home. So continue to be with me as we go to our last stop here in Iloilo. Asa naman to atong service? I think nasa Picas side. And by the way guys, the pancit molo is really good. Sugay ko, dagan kita gi-order. And nakita na nato ang atong service. Lakaw ginagmay kay busog. Labang talabang ang atong service guys. Ito. Let's go. Next stop na to ay tag-Siopaw. Dumdum ka ba dong dito?
Sa dito sa Lapas. Wala ko kagawa na to.
Ako lang GPS. Muta to ah.
Dito to pa.
Patao ta. Sugay ko sa paniod to. Take out rata ng Siopaw. And we are here at Roberto's Siopaw, the famous Siopaw store here in Iloilo. And as usual, taas og linya. And mauna ilang menu sa Siopaw, regular, jumbo, king, and queen. And right now we will be ordering the queen size. So linya sa ta guys. Di nang pila miss.
Regular customer sa sulod.
Sa sulod. Okay. Ang take out ya.
Amo man take
Ah, dito. Okay, thank you. Linya ta. Ang tawaran. Look at that guys. Partida. Jotay pa ni sa usual nga BCRs nila. Take out lang taron kay dili na nato makaon. Pasalubong ron nato sa balay.
Order sir.
Take out. Apat lang ka queen. Take out. Thank you. They also have lumpia and meatballs. for sale. Mana ilang usual menu dere. They also have pancit and Shanghai. So we have our order already, guys. And let's go now sa Fast Scrap Terminal Port. Let's go to Bacolod. We are back sa Iloilo Fast Scrap Terminal, guys. We are now heading to Bacolod City. And derera ang ilahang ticketing outlet. Wisam, Ocean Jet, Supercut, and Montenegro. And ang atong masakyan for this afternoon is Ocean Jet na pod na alas 2:30 nga schedule. So look at sa tag ticket and terminal fee also dira nga part para makasulod na ta sa passengers terminal. And we are already here sa Iloilo Passenger Terminal, Fast Scrap Passenger Terminal. And we are just waiting for our boarding time. Actually, ang schedule sa ferry is 2:30 p.m. pero delayed siya kay as of the moment it's 2:45 p.m. already in the afternoon. So while waiting for our boarding, I will be telling you kung unsa tong plans for 2026. So plans for 2026 is just the same as 2025. Work pacing and related sa akong profession is the same ra gyapon, walay mausab. Kay naa pa man gyapon tay mga existing projects nga ning take off last year, and the same effort ra gyapon lang atong pag-manage sa projects, sa business, sa day job nato. And doing these contents or vlogging is just secondary of my to-do list for 2026. So again, this is only for diversion sa work. But og matagaag chance nga mo ma-discover ta diri or mo lambo, and why not, diba? Pero our main bread and butter gyapon is sa construction business. And sa mga wala pa day kabalo, I am a proprietor of a construction company, and ang name kay IDMU Construction, which is my initials sa akong kita sa first video nga katong ang service na sticker. So yes po, we are the owner of IDMU Construction, and we are also the managing officer sa katong firm. And so mao to siya, main focus nato gyapon for 2026 is to allow the business to go on as usual. And while we are visiting out of town projects, and why not do a content for our travel site visits, especially sa mga lagyo. And
Yan na, also, hopefully sa local ra nga projects, mahimuan sa natog contents. And also for 2026, we will be having also international leisure travel. So atangin na ninyo kay paningkamutan na to nga mahimuan na og content. Travels internationally with the family, especially with my wife and my daughter. Atuan ang himuan og content. So continue to support me with this vlog, and if bago ra ka nakakita sa akong mga videos, kindly subscribe and click the notification bell para updated ka and ma-notify sa imuha if na ako'y mga bagong uploads. And also follow me pod sa akong other social media platforms, and ako arang i-reflect sa screen. So as what I'm saying, naatay international trip in the future. So ako na lang mong spoil nga this month we will be traveling internationally. Supposed to be this is a Christmas trip, but medyo busy jud kayo ang office during December kay daghan of events nga gi-organize, especially for our workers and our staff sa office. So this month, January, we will be traveling to an international country, and if you have the idea nga kung asa ta mo adto, just comment down below kung unsa inyong guess kung asa ta mo adto. Pero as of now, surprise lang sana. It will just be posted here once mahimuan na natog content ang atong travel. Okay, and I'll see you later once mag-boarding na ta and nata sulod sa barko.
We are about to dock. Nasa port. There is Bacolod, Bradco Port. And wala ko ka video pagsulod kay nagan kay tao and nagutok, and also paglingkod na to kay nakatuog ta. So karon abot na ta sa Bradco Port, and I will be updating you once makagawas na ta sa barko. Alright. So guys, nabutang na nato itong gamit sa sakyanan, and sud sa takajut sa SM kay natay mga errands and natay paliton nga ink. Ito na. Thank you. So we are here sa sud sa SM, and mopalit ta og ink sa printer kay nahurot na ang ink sa office. So dili kayo daghang tawo ron. It's a weekday today. So medyo comfortable ron isoroy. Unlike sa weekend kay maggutok jud daghan kay tao. So this will be our last stop diri sa Bacolod, and after this okay, we will go directly to San Carlos City, go home to San Carlos City. So kuyugi ko lastly mangita tag ink guys, And we are done with our errands, guys. It's time to go home. And let's do this, our last biyahe, going home. And we arrived safely here sa balay and sa office, guys. Punta sa office. Welcome sa akong gamay nga office. And again, guys, thank you sa pagkuyog na pod nako sa atong dito nga trip sa Iloilo until nga nakapauli ta diri sa San Carlos and abot safely sa office. So again, guys, that will be all for today. And salamat usab kung naabot ka diri nga part sa vlog, and continue to support my content, and also follow me through my other social platforms, and let's continue to do this, and I will be posting more content, and see you on the next video. Salamat and bye.